Welcome to Mystical Heart Tarot Readings. Today is February the 20th, 2022. This is your message from Spirit. It is a general reading for the collective, so it may or it may not resonate. And that was telling me my fate of the weather tomorrow. We're starting out with the Ace of Swords, so we might be feeling a little drained. We might be feeling a little drained. Here we have the Hanged. This deck calls it the Hanged One, but it's really the Hangman. Letting something go. We have to let something go. We have two aces on the board. One is in reverse. This is the Ace of Pentacles. So we're going to start something new, maybe a job, maybe buy a new home. A dream home. Because here we have the moon. Now we're just getting out of a full moon phase. So we're feeling a little drained. We have to let something go in order for us to get a dream home. Possibly. However, there is conflict in communication. And that may be why we're feeling this drain in our energy, is because we're feeling this conflict. So there's a conflict over us. And it might be because of what we have to let go. This all depends on what it is we have to let go of. I believe this conflict is a result of whatever it is that we have to let go of in order to have a new start in a dream home. I'm seeing dream home because the moon is about dreams. This card. And Pentacles Or it could be a dream job. This could be a dream job too. So there may be something that we have to let go of, and it's causing a conflict. But we have to let something go in order to it's either a dream job or a dream home. Now, that would be called starting a new chapter if we're getting a new home or a new job. Especially if we have to let something go. And maybe it's something that someone else doesn't want us to let go of. And that's why we have a conflict. So we might need to look back to nature. Look back to nature. Are we looking back to nature, or maybe the dream home is further out of the city, getting back to nature? Or the same with the job. Maybe the job's related to nature. That's also possible. I send much love and many blessings to all my subscribers and viewers. Hit that thumbs up button, that subscribe button, that notification bell. As always, I'll see you back next time. Have a wonderful day.